let's talk about love.
Life is good, yeah. Yeah, in my darkest times, you got me feeling like.
Alam mo, love is not always about kilig. Hindi lang siya yung butterflies sa stomach, hindi lang siya yung mga sweet messages, or yung mga late night calls. Minsan yung love is about choosing someone kahit na mahirap. May mga moments pa nga natatanungin mo yung sarili mo, worth it ba to? Ganito ba talaga ang love? Pero honestly, normal lang yun. Love is patient, love is understanding. Hindi siya palaging perfect. Minsan may mga tampuhan, may mga misunderstandings, or may mga moment pa nga na pareho na kayong pagod. Pero love is when you still choose to stay, fix things, and grow together. And if you're loving someone right now, love him or her genuinely. Hindi yung half-hearted Kailangan buo. Give love without fear. Kasi the right kind of love, hindi ka babawasan. Hindi ka rin iiwanan sa ere. It will make you feel safe, valued, and at peace. And if you're single right now, remember this. Hindi ka kulang. Hindi ka rin late. At lalong hindi ka waiting room lang ng love. Mahalin mo yung sarili mo, ayusin mo, alagaan mo sarili mo, because love will come at the right time, with the right person, in the right season. So, whether you're in love, healing, or still waiting, choose love that's real, kind, and worth it.